In this tutorial in Adobe Premiere Elements, we'd like to show you how you can trim a clip and take out a segment within the clip, not at the beginning or the end. Now, to remove part of a clip by trimming at the beginning or the end is very easy. The easiest way is to take your mouse and move it near the front or back of the clip, and you'll notice the mouse will change shape. You'll have a bracket in red with two arrows. You simply hold down the mouse and you drag, and it will change numbers showing you the number of minutes, frames, or seconds that you've removed from the clip. Here I'm at the end, and we'll take off 2 seconds and 6 frames and let go. Now I've shortened it by trimming the end. I can do the same thing by moving to the beginning, holding the mouse down, waiting till I see that symbol, and then I can shorten it from the beginning. So those are two ways in which you can do the beginning or the end. I'll do Control Z to get out of that. But what if you want to remove something from the middle of a single clip? How do you do that? Well, you can hover all day long and you won't get one of those brackets. What you have to do is you actually have to cut the clip in two places and then move out the section that you've cut. Let me show you how to do that. I move to the second or frame wherever I want to in that clip, and again we have our time indicator here, and say this is the frame I want to be on where I want to start my cut. So I can hold the Control key down and hit the K key to cut it right there, or I can click on the scissors. And then I go to another part. Now I have 2 segments in my original video, but I really want 3 because I want to take out the one in the middle. So we're going to move a little farther along in our project, and I can actually move frame by frame by clicking on this icon here, and it will take me frame by frame as you see the time code change over here. So I get to the precise place where I want to cut it again. I'll hold the Control key down and hit the K key again. Once I highlight the clip, make sure I'm highlighted, Control K. Now I have 3 segments in my original clip. Or I can click on the scissors as well to achieve that cut. So now I'm going to take the center one, which is the one I'd like to remove, and I can right click on it. Then I can choose Delete, and I removed it. Or the other option is I can press the Delete key on the keyboard once it's highlighted, and it will remove it, and it will do a ripple delete, which will fill the gap. So now I've shortened it by taking out this segment from within that single clip. That is the simplest way I know of to do a trim by taking a segment out of a clip in Adobe Premiere Elements.